Right. I have another day of pretty short stream. Um, yeah, let's make sure this is working. So, uh, I gotta remind myself of where this ended up. So this is, can I actually remove this or is it still gonna be mad? Yeah, cool. I can remove these things. Um, in fact, let me see where I made changes. Oh, I didn't push. Whoops. Yes, this has been modified, but only in that way. Perfect. All right. Um, so now in here, hopefully we can, oh, do I have to call it two? I did. Hmm. Actually, let's do it anyway. The argument line two. Other output, one error. Fascinating. I honestly thought that was fixing my problem, but it seems to not be fixing my problem. Whoops. Wow. Okay. Um, mm, not really sure why it's not working in the first place, but let's see. Must be a ref. There we go. Okay. You know what? Let's actually get this test working, and then we'll try and clean stuff up. Argument in line 2 is oddtrotter core. Okay. But regardless, let's try and get this test running. Let's get the correct error message. I'm gonna look up this this compiler error to make sure it's always the same. Perfect. That's exactly the right one. So let's assert it. Nice. All right, so now see what I can make better here. So this is argument null in line 2. Let's see if we can change this to so yeah, let's remove this for now. Let's see if we can get that one fixed. So everything else is good. Now we need this. Okay, now it fails. That's the right one. Right. So now this should be this. Got it. Okay. So that's better. And so now, can we make this be system again? So now we shouldn't need this anymore. Nice. And so now, so the only issue remaining is, can we get this to use argument null inline? I don't know. I'll have to change this if I can make that work. But let's see why this doesn't work. Oh. Cool. It won't do a rename. Okay, fine. Fun. Argument null inline 2, argument null inline. Nice. Okay. Now, here's the issue. This is hard to maintain, in my opinion. So, like, what I'd really like is some way to say this or something, and then yeah, can we? Let me try something. If true. Okay. Oh wow. Preprocessor directives don't work inside of these. That's gonna be tough. I don't know how we're gonna fix that. Okay, so let's say define play as true. Okay, no, we don't need to define it as true. Define. Huh. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, except Wow. I truly just don't know the best way to do this. Like, I like when you're writing the test to be using code here for the test. Something I was thinking very early on was, hey, I could have a new file for each test. But to have that file over here, you know what, let's just try it. Like, what happens if I put this stuff in here? Well, okay. Yeah. Not a fan that that's working actually, but don't think I'm allowed to put using statements at the top. Uh, let's see. Wow. Does that mean I don't need this import if I do that? I thought I tried this the other day. Okay. Well, that does change things then. So we just don't, yeah, we can just do this. So now, though, we need to exclude it from compilation. Not exclude from project, though. Build action is none. So what happens if we do that? So it's still, hmm, okay, so it only will do things that it can find in the file here. That's kind of a bummer. Um, let's actually take a look though what it did for that. So it said none include. Yeah, okay. That is push, but that is all I've got for today. I'm trying to get